Bubba. Come here. I think he likes running.
I'm taking videos of him too then.
I got a good because that was like the prettiest run. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Shannon's like, oh my god.
Great, now there's dirt all over it.
Yep. Oh, that's
I think
really.
he's wild. He likes running.
He sure is pretty. Where's the video? Send it to me.
Right until we get inside because I can hardly see my phone. I shouted the back of
Get my
phone.
camera to work.
I shouted the back of my
How does
phone.
this?
How'd you do that?
I dropped it.
Right into the sun, Maid. Can't you do any better for me?